Hey everybody, we've got a storm to talk about here. A major storm coming up on Wednesday and Thursday. Seems to be the biggest storm in the mid-Atlantic area since 2016. So let's get right into it and talk about it and see what's going on here. What you see here is the Gsf model. And before we get in too far, I'm reviewing 3 models just so you know. This is the Gsf model. And this would be Wednesday morning about 7 o'clock. And you can see the dark blues. There's heavy snowfall, and purple is sleet, and the red is freezing rain. Now, don't take to heart to where the freezing rain and sleet is at the moment. Like I said, it's just one model. We will review that, though. Then as you get into Wednesday afternoon, you can see it's still snowing pretty heavy. Eastern West Virginia, Western Virginia, on up, moving into Pennsylvania. Those of you getting ice down in southern Virginia, northern North Carolina, obviously your totals will be taken down because of that. Whereas in West Virginia and northern Virginia, it should be all snow. Now, to look at the freezing rain, possibly for Wednesday time frame on the Gsf model, you can see this is what the area that it's trying to say, that it would have ice mixed in. As you can tell, once you get up to Monroe and Greenbrier counties, Pocahontas counties, and West Virginia, Allegheny, Bath counties, up that way, you're primarily going to be snow, and then further north. Now, this is the Canadian model. Should be around 7 a.m. Wednesday morning. You can see has more sleet on it, on that particular model, than what the other one did. This is Wednesday afternoon. And this is the ice accumulation that it was showing a little bit further south on its ice accumulation. We're still trying to work all this out. There's definitely going to be a huge storm on the coast. How far north or south the initial frozen precipitation starts at is yet to be determined yet, but we're getting into that 72 to 96 hour time frame over the next couple of days. They'll be able to pinpoint that location. This is the Euro model from last night. This shows Wednesday morning. Same scenario there. You see eastern West Virginia, western Virginia, northern Virginia, on up through Pennsylvania, showing mostly all snow. Now, on this one in the afternoon, it shows a little bit more cold filtering in and expanding the snow area. So, like I said, there's lots of things to look at between now and Wednesday. Now, I don't want you to take these totals to heart. I'm going to show you the totals from the Gsf Canadian and the European model. The Karacha ratio, which takes in the temperature to adjust the totals. Now, like I said, this will also have a little bit of accumulation that you see Monday figured in here, but Monday's not that big of a deal. So, but as you can see, this is the European models cranking 30 plus inches up in Pennsylvania. So if it starts down in West Virginia, I can't see, if under this circumstances, I don't see why you wouldn't get a foot or more in southern West Virginia. You look at Gsf model, it's cranking 2 feet up in Pennsylvania, close to 3 foot once you get further up the coast. Like I said, it's shown anywhere from 12 to 20 inches of snow down here in southern West Virginia. Like I said, there's going to be some changes. If something happened, this thing on the models says it's going to start further up, say like towards the Panhandle of West Virginia and Winchester, Virginia up north, then obviously we wouldn't be in that heavy stuff down here in southern West Virginia. But as of right now, it looks like we'll be included into the heavy snowfall. It's supposed to be a lot of cold air damming, which is what cold air trapped down your valleys, so it shouldn't be a problem. This is Canadian model, and it shows a lot lower totals as far as southern West Virginia goes, looking at the 9 to 12 inch range down there. But like I said, this is just one model, and you can see here It also has some 30-plus inch totals further up once you get past Maryland. So, like I said, we're going to be watching this very closely. And by the time we get to Monday, we should know about how much accumulation that we should be getting. Guys, take care. Have a good one.